I've recently received a lot of comments asking what are the top niches in the digital product market, what are the top trending products. So I spent the last 24 hours to gather all insights from Gumroad, Etsy and other marketplaces, and I've compressed it to top 5 digital products that you can instantly create and sell today. I want to give you a disclaimer before we start. These are not ranked in order. These products are the top 5 that I've picked out of all product niches in the market space. Starting with product number 1, we have productivity templates. These are usually created using Notion. Notion is a completely free and easy to use tool where you can create templates like finance trackers, system OS, and all of these cool productivity organizers. So here you can see one of the examples where this guy called Productive Setups has created this headquarters template, and it has got around 171 ratings and it's currently being sold for $79. And here he has claimed that he has over 3,500 users, which if you do the math, it is $276,500 just from this one productivity template. You can see the videos, the reviews, the description, the snapshots, all of that cool stuff. Next up, we have this guy called OLS, who also sells a lot of Notion templates. This one is called a Second Brain 6.0 version. So here you can see he sells it for $80 and he has an upsell for $90. And he has got 178 ratings. 178 ratings means he got around 1000 sales, because not everyone who buys leaves a rating. But let's be extremely conservative. Let's take 500 sales and he sells it for $80. Which again, if you do the math, it's around $40,000. And this is me being extremely conservative because this is just one of his 50 templates that he has, and his one product itself could make $40,000. So imagine how much he made in total. Coming to product number 2, we have AI prompt packages. These are completely easy and you do not need any skills for this. You can literally use AI to create AI prompt packages. And I feel this is one of the easiest products that you can create. And you can completely start from scratch, finish the entire product in just one day and also start selling at the same day. So let me show you some examples here. We have this guy called Waldo. He has 509 ratings and he sells a stock trading mastery template. This again is a prompt template, and as you can see, he sells it for $50 and he has an upsell for $247. And down here you can see that he got 7,324 sales. Which if you do the math, which is going to be around $366,000 just from this one AI prompt package. Is that if you take a look at his profile, you can see that he has a lot more prompt packages and they have 500, 900, 200 ratings selling for more than $700. We have more products here: landing package, SEO booster, digital product. All of these are just prompt packages that he has sold over 1,000 times, and you can see there are $700 products. So if you sum up all of his products, it has easily crossed $1 million in sales just using AI to create AI prompt packages. Coming to product number 3, we have mini courses. Now I know this term might overwhelm you a little, thinking that you need an entire team to make a course, you need to have video courses and all of the expensive stuff, but I'll make it very simple to you. These courses do not have to be video recorded, or you do not have to do a one-on-one coaching, all of that stuff. And you don't have to use a video or anything. You can just write the course out. You can have cards for each modules of the lesson, and then you can have explanations for each modules. This again can be completely automated using AI in ChatGPT, and it can write you the entire course. So you don't have to even have experience in this. So here I have an example for you. On Gumroad, this guy called Strongland Publishing. This course has 488 ratings and is being sold for $297. And as you can see here, he has made 7,845 sales. That is $2,329,000. Imagine making that much amount of money with just one mini course. That is the power of digital products. That is leverage. Coming to product number 4, we have Canva templates. Now Canva is a free and open source tool that you can use to design posters, banners, wedding card, invitations and all this stuff. So here you can see an example of how they use Canva templates to design wedding planners. So here they have 200-page planner for just wedding templates, planning, color schemes, dressing items, a checklist, and everything related to wedding. And here you can see it's being sold for $3. Now $3 might sound less, and it is less, but if you see the number of sales that he has, which is 139,000 sales, now if you multiply with $3, that's around $400,000. Now there are a lot of options to explore using Canva. You don't have to stick with a wedding planner. If you use Instagram and if you have seen a lot of carousel posts or content, you can also make Instagram carousel or story templates. Here you can see they have 1,800 Instagram posts and stories, where these are templates that you just have to edit the text and you can post them. So there are engagement story templates, Canva blogger template, business coach, reels. All of these are templates. You can see the images here. You can see aesthetic reel covers, personal, business, vintage film overlays. We have film stories, stories in general, posts, carousels, quotes, infographics, news, engagement, etc. Now this being sold for $4.5 and it was actually for $15. It's currently on a 70% sale and he has made 21,000 sales, which is around $84,000. Coming to product number 5, which is the last product, this is one of the easiest and fun to create products, which is ebooks for kids. So here you can see there are a lot of ebooks and these are just storybooks for kids. So you can see a video preview here. So you can see the different types of ebooks that are being sold. So there's also coloring pages, fiction stories, we have rhymes, nutrition worksheets, and also educational resources for math and science. You can be as creative as you want. And by the way, all of the images are AI generated. Even the stories, you can just ask ChatGPT for a kid story and you can generate images for free using Gemini. Let's take this product for example. Here we have a product for $27 after a 30% off. This is a Goodnight Little Isabella book, which is obviously a storybook. You can see the pages here and we have a 5-star rating. And if I scroll down, he has over 18,000 sales. That is $486,000 just by selling a simple kids story ebook. If you want to create such ebooks, you can always use Canva. It's completely free and easy to use. You also get inbuilt templates for such kids stories. You can directly get it from there or you can generate it from Gemini's Nano Banana. And we also have ChatGPT to actually create the story. So make use of AI, create the product and start selling today. So these were my top 5 product and product niches that you can explore. And if you want a complete list of all the products I explored, you can click the link in the description and download it. Now, if you have more questions about what niche to pick, where to create the product, how to create the product, which marketplace to sell, you can click this video. I talk about all of that in complete detail. So click this video and watch it. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.